Welcome to the 2026 JCI Makati Local Officers Academy with the team Accelerating the Future of Leadership, Develop, Qualify, Lead.
Never even consider that. If it comes, it's okay. But I never use the Makati JCs for my personal benefit. Siguro that's the most important thing.
Alam mo, sana malalim na malalim yung why ko in joining JCI. Kasi lumalim na yung why ko sa buhay after my term in JCI. When I reached my 40 plus, nung gumagawa na ako ng mga bagay-bagay para sa sarili ko, hanap buhay ko, pamilya ko, sana dito pa lang kasi leadership opportunity pala talaga.
So my question is, can people trust you when the decision becomes difficult? Do you think?
Welcome here to our humble office, and I wish you all the best. And I know that JCI Makati will be in good hands next year with all this set of new leaders for the year 2027.
What is the first step to be a good leader? To be a good follower. Yan muna, di ba? And this organization is fertile grounds for this.
But what matter more than being the first is knowing that today, we started something that I hope will continue for generations of JCI Makati members.
You have to ask yourself, ano ba yung pwede ko ma-contribute, di ba? Ano yung pwede ko ma-contribute through my positions? Ano yung pwede ko ma-contribute sa JCI Makati?
So don't ever think that we can never do it. Kaya nyo? Kaya ko din. Yan yung gusto ko. Yan yung tinuturo ni Artemio, ni Temyong. That's why it is only fitting that he is the model of our Temyong Awards.
Good leadership is not simply getting things done. Good organizational leadership is getting the right things done by the right people through the right process.
We started this tradition, the Local Officers Academy, from accelerating it. The torch now begins the journey to the next generation. And once again, thank you for giving me the privilege for helping light that torch. Congratulations, future leaders in JCI Makati. Thank you so much.